these are.
She's looking at me.
Dora.
Can you say thank you?
Thank you.
She's
Wow,
presents up.
Kayla.
More. More.
Let's see.
Good job sitting in front of the tree.
This says, this is another one that says Kayla.
What could it be?
Thanks. Can I have it now? Can I have it?
Yeah.
This is probably the cutest.
Kaden?
Get that out of your mouth. I think he got some in.
It's fine,
Uh,
I'll get it. Hold on.
oh, these are just cracked.
What's in there?
Did they wrap wrapping paper? Oh,
What is it? Oh. There's a present inside of that present? Oh my gosh, you got big girl cups. Here,
what's it
this
say
is-
on it?
wait,
Hold on,
wait.
hold on.
It says, Kayla, these are your big girl cups. Wow. Let me
Okay,
see.
then stop.
Look, you have big girl